Jane with Beauty and the Stamper, and today we're going to do a plan with me. It's going to be from Monday the 12th through Sunday the 18th. But before we do that, I want to show you a few items that I bought online from Happy Planner. They were having a buy one get one free sale on their planners, and their planners were on sale. So I got all of this for less than $20. So I got the vertical layout, and this is an 18-month, and it started in July and it goes through December. So I buy my Happy Planners when they are on sale. I miss a few months, and I already have my last one that I always use that's gonna go till December. So really mine starts in January, and then I have a whole year. So when I get them on sale like that, I just buy them and make sure that they are good till the next year, and then I get my planner. So I got that one, and that's the one I decorate. And then I have this one. I haven't decided if I'm going to decorate this one or not, but this is also that horizontal layout. Oh, I didn't even know I had this. Oh, this is nice. This could be for birthdays and whatnot. But it's got the vertical layout, and I really think I'll like it. This one is more to keep track of my videos rather than just, it's a little thick. I'm gonna take out some of these as well. But, so I don't know if I'm gonna be decorating this one or not, or if I'm just gonna use it to write quick notes. We will see, but they do match, you guys. This one says, be the light in the world, and one of these, well, one of these says the same thing. I don't know where. Oh, nope, that's not it. Anyways, they match. They've got some cute sayings in here, just like the other ones. Hold on, I'm gonna find, there it is. So they match pretty well together. I didn't even notice that. I just got it from the covers. And to be quite honest, this isn't my favorite cover. I do like the Just Begin, and I didn't notice what the pictures were. So what I could probably do will be to take this off and either make my own or put one of the ones that I do like, because I have so many from throughout the years. And then just in the future, I already took everything off, but it comes with one of these here, and I will be making a dashboard out of this as well, and I'll show you how I do that in a future video. But for now, let's go ahead and remove these, and then I'll show you this little sticker set. I think this sticker set was like $4 if I'm not mistaken, because I got everything for less than 20. So anyways, these are made for the Happy Planner, and they're just so pretty, and they're already color coded and everything like that. Color coded? I don't know, but I thought I would decorate with this one today, and I'm gonna use some other stuff as well. So let's see what we've got here. So we've got this pretty green color. We've got some peach and green there. This one is some blue and green. This one is some bright and yellow and green. And then this one, very fall. Looks like a kind of a peachy color and a brownish khaki beige color. I think let's go with this one. Now I don't need to use them all. So I was gonna take it out and just use the whole page, but I don't know if that's what I want. So we're gonna go ahead and get this ready. Dreams don't work unless you do. Keep your head up. This is just really pretty. So I'm going to set this off to the side for the time being. And I am also going to grab a couple of my markers here. Let's see what works well. And we'll grab this one. I'm going to just do a little double check to see if this is a color that I think will work. I think it'll work. Or this one. Hold on. No. We're going to go with the lighter. All right. So I'm going to start with this one here that says keep your head up, and I'm going to put that one right here directly in the middle and just start it all off. And then I'm going to do this dreams don't work unless you do. And we're going to put this one right here. And I'll tell you why. You guys know that even if I don't use my planner that week, I still decorate it and I still fill it in because I use it as a journal. But today is Friday, and so I have just not been in the studio this week, and I need to start getting my work done. So let's go ahead. I'm going to pull some of these guys off of here. And I love that these are clear. Look at this one. After saying this, it says, it's okay to not do it at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that one right down here. And then look at this beautiful one. So many great sayings on here. And I'm putting the big ones on first. I'm going to put this one right here that says, recharge yourself. And now I'm going to take some of these flowers. I might be using all of these. I just might. And we'll put them in the corners. Really pretty. This one says it's okay to be happy with a calm life. I'm going to put this one. I think I'm going to put this one with this one. Very pretty. I'm going to put this one right here. And then I'm going to put this Dream Big. I'm going to put that one right here. I'm going to put this one right here. Okay, so now I still have plenty of space, and instead of using like dots or bullets, I'm going to use my markers that go with it. So thinking about the things that I have done, I'll use these brush markers to make my own journal prompts here. Just like this. I'll do one over here, obviously, for, I got enough of that green, so I'm going to do a yellow. This one will be smaller because I know exactly what I'm going to write on here. And then another small one here. And then I'm going to take my fine line marker and then this is where you can write here. So that is how I'll be doing this one. So, but you could fill these up for everything that you need all throughout the week. And I really love that technique. And then of course you can always fill this in with your markers like I often do. And do some markers like this, which I just love that look to give it extra color. And then I'm going to come back here with those last few. And this is where you can put in these little guys. Ooh, they stick together. There we go. We'll put this one, we'll put this one right here. And then I'm going to put this one along with it. Like that. Oh, so cute. I am going to use that whole page. I could have gone ahead and torn it out if I wanted to. I'm going to put this one right here. And then I have one left. And we'll put that one. We'll put that one right here because we don't really have too much. Oh, I don't like the way that looks. I'm going to put it right here. There we go. Oh, yay! So pretty. I hope you like this. Again, everything I got here was from the Happy Planner. They sent me an email saying that they were having a sale. So if you like Happy Planner stuff, I would definitely get on their email list so you can see their sales and whatnot. All right, beauties, I hope you have a wonderful rest of the week, and I will see you soon because I have another plan with me coming up in just a few days. All right, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.